Yes, hello. My name is Jean-Bernard Leon Foucault. You can call me Leon. And I'm a French physicist responsible for the creation of a large mass, free-hanging pendulum with no particular direction of swing. The pendulum was created to prove, or at least provide, substantial evidence that the Earth does in fact rotate on an axis, which it was very successful in doing. The pendulum was created and tested in Paris, France, but specifically the Meridian Room of the Paris Observatory. I heard a lot was happening in America, specifically with their Library of Congress burning down, and I believe the first YMCA was actually founded. But specifically here in France, we actually had a coup. President Napoleon, like I said, performed a coup of the French National Assembly, and the next year he actually named himself Emperor Napoleon III. I was the sole contributor of the pendulum, but I did have a friend and an associate named Armand Fuseau who helped me with some other research years back, and that research did aid in the creation of the pendulum. As I mentioned, I was the sole contributor of the pendulum, which means I was responsible with the research, the creation, and the testing of it. My pendulum actually provided a very significant impact to the physics community, not only with the substantial evidence of the Earth's rotation on its axis, but also the help of the understanding and the use of the effects of gravity. Mine sounded a little silly, but I was actually working with a lathe, and while the lathe was rotating, I noticed that the thin rod was vibrating, but it was staying within the same plane, and that led me to thinking, and that led me to my pendulum.